Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today let's make something with eggs. An egg is like a multivitamin capsule, so why not incorporate it into the epitome of deliciousness, the humble egg curry. Here is the simplest and best way to make it. Be sure to watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of eggs and the ingredients list. Subscribe to Festive Flavors and share it with your friends and family. If you prepare a recipe from Festive Flavors, take a picture of your preparation and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture in the coming videos. If you like the recipe, please give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comment section below. Now let's look at the ingredients. Eggs 8, onions 1 sliced, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, tomato paste 3/4 cup, green chili paste to taste, potatoes 1 small cubed, this is optional, turmeric powder 1.5 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, bay leaves 2 to 3, cinnamon stick an inch piece, green cardamom 4 to 5, cloves 2 to 3, oil 3 tablespoons, water 3/4 cup. Now let's begin by hard boiling the eggs. Place them in a medium saucepan and cover with water. Bring to a boil over high heat. Cover with a lid and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Drain the water and soak in cold water. Let it cool and then peel the eggs. Place a pan or kadhai on high heat. Pour oil. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. Place the eggs in the oil and lightly fry them till they are fried from all sides. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates whenever one is posted on the channel. Take a knife and make slits in all the eggs so the masala and flavors get inside the eggs when the eggs are cooked in the gravy. Drain the eggs out of the oil. Now fry potatoes till they are 70% done. Adding potatoes to the curry is optional. They add body to the curry, but if you do not like, you can skip this step. Drain the potatoes out of the oil. In the same pan, add green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Add sliced onions, fry till golden brown. Now add ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. If you like the recipe of egg curry, please give us a thumbs up. Add the green chili paste. Adding the ingredients in paste form makes a thick and smooth gravy. Cook the masala for 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell of garlic is no longer there. Now add the tomato paste. Tomato paste is made by just grinding raw tomato. Cook till you see the masala leaving oil from the sides. Add salt to taste. Mix and cover to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the potatoes. Mix everything very well. Cover to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add garam masala and mix. The link to garam masala is on the top right hand corner. Now add the fried eggs. Mix everything together. Now add water. Mix and add some more water if you like a thinner gravy. Remember that water will evaporate while cooking, so add according to how thick or thin gravy you want. Cover and bring to a boil. Lower the flame and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Egg curry is ready to be served with chapati or naan and rice. Please like the recipe and comment below. Share it with your family and friends. Please stay a bit longer to view the health benefits, as it is very important to know the long-term effects of what goes in our body in order to lead a happy and healthy life. Health benefits of eggs are: 1 egg has 6 grams of nutrients with 9 essential amino acids, which are building blocks of protein. Choline of eggs, a component of B vitamins, helps in cognitive abilities, which helps to create critical neural pathways in the brain. Eggs contain rare minerals such as selenium and iodine, which help in maintaining healthy hormonal activities. Ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please like the recipe by clicking the thumbs up icon below. Also click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates whenever one is posted on the channel. Please share it with your friends and family. Next time we will come with a new video of a new recipe. Until then, namaskar.